What if every thought in your brain made a sound? You wake up. Windows startup noise. You stand up too fast. Minecraft damage sound. Try to remember why you walked into the kitchen. Dial-up internet. Your brain actually runs on tiny electrical signals called action potentials. So technically, your thoughts already have power. They're just on silent mode. You have a bad idea? Error buzzer. Anxiety hits? Boss battle music. One confident thought? Level up chime. So yeah, if thoughts had sound effects, no one would ever trust the quiet kid again.